Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to do some basic maintenance on my daily driver, my Forester. Let's start off by checking the oil, see how much oil is in that John. So we grabbed that catch can real quick, but you know, my stupid ass is always making a fucking mess.
Are you serious right now, bruh?
Alright, so we clean that shit up real quick, you know, keep it clean in the shop. So normally I like to talk during these videos, like with the actual camera in real time, but this guy decided to make everything about him today and do some body work on his Charger. We start pumping up the car like it's a Reebok pump, you know what I'm saying? Just get that bitch all the way up. You know, me and my dad aren't rich, so we have this cheap ass compressor that's making so much noise. Alright, so I get ready to go change the oil real quick and drop it, and I'm like, oh man, there's no way this fucking nut is that big, bruh. Damn. So yeah, eventually we'll find the right size and we get that oil going, and that shit just splashes out and gets all over the goddamn jack and the floor. Then we get the fucking filter off, and bloop, it just drops right there. Then the main man Homer walks in and starts talking about his exploits that he does at nighttime with the boys, so can't talk about that.
Get this shit off.
So like that, I was saying, can't get that shit off, but all I had to do was complain and it comes off.
It's true. Hard water is a problem for most homeowners. I just had a complaint.
So yeah, then I get a new oil filter on there and tie it up, and she's nice and cherry, ready to rock and roll.
Wow.
Then we get everything pretty much tied up, and we just drop that bitch real quick. Then you can see the mess I'm in. I kind of clean it up right here, but you know, it's not that clean. So then we go and drop some fresh oil in that John, because it needs it. And don't judge me, I used O'Reilly's brand oil, but it's the cheapest, and I'm kind of broke right now, so.
Ew.
Yeah. So yeah, we gotta check the oil level, make sure it's good. It looks fine right there, so we put that bitch back in there, and then we gotta get ready to start that John real quick, you know what I'm saying? So we turn the ignition on real quick, and then we go check out to make sure that there's no oil leaks or nothing, and everything looks tight, so no oil is dropping, so that looks good. We go back out there to shut that bitch off, reset the odometer so that way we get 0 miles and keep track of our oil change. The oil level looks kind of low, so we decided to top it off a wee bit more. Fucking guys making all the noise. So that shit was a little low, so we're just gonna top it off. So we go, we top it off with some more cheap O'Reilly's fucking oil. Looks fine. And then we go and put on some fucking wiper blades, because man, it was snowing on the way to work, so we needed to make sure on the way back home we could get back home safely. We even get the rear one done too. And for whatever reason, that shit was easy as fuck.
Woo! Yeah!
What do you think? Another reason why it's hard to record in the shop is because this guy likes to listen to copyrighted music, so it makes it really hard for us to record it there. Is that why you're making all that fucking noise?
Yeah, move it a fucking way.
Alright, here we go again. Let's block that shit out. You still hear it. Pro tip: get cigarettes if you go out to bars, so you give them to crackheads so they'll defend you. Actually, don't get cigarettes because they're very bad for you. Black lung. Anyways, let's get this bitch started.